Hey folks, it's Andy Barrar, Handy Andy from HandyAndyMedia.com, and today I'll be doing a review for Best Buy's blog on the new Amazon Echo Pop. This is the most affordable way to get Alexa into your home, perfect for first-time smartphone users and existing ones who want to extend Alexa to every room. So let's get started with this review. So let's start by taking the Echo Pop out of the box to give kind of my first impressions of the speaker. It's very, very, very small. It's a compact speaker, similar to the Amazon Echo Dot, except it's probably about half the size. The power button's on the back. It kind of reminded me of like if you chopped a Echo Dot right in half, that's pretty much what you would get with the Echo Pop. Has that base, and let's talk about the setup.
Hello, your device is ready for setup. Just
that's
follow
what
the
it says
instructions in your Alexa app.
once you plug it in.
Vamos a empezar. Instala la app de Alexa y sigue las instrucciones.
And it does it in different
Bonjour.
languages, which is
Votre
pretty cool.
appareil est prêt pour la configuration. Téléchargez l'application
You can
Alexa
tell
et
it
suivez
sounds
les
very,
instructions.
very clear for the Echo Pop. Now, the rest of the install comes through the Alexa app. And folks, this is about the easiest smart home gadget you're going to ever install. You just basically go on the list, select Echo Dot Pop, and now it goes to Bluetooth. And a lot of people might not know this, but when you are setting up these smart home devices, the initial connection is through Bluetooth from your smartphone to that device. Once it has that Bluetooth connection, it will then find your Wi-Fi connection and then send that data of your Wi-Fi network to that new device to hook it all up. It gives you some tips of what you need to know in terms of the volume buttons. And then it will ask you what room you want to put it in. And this is for the voice activation to be able to command it to open up later. The next thing is setting up Voice ID. Now, I highly recommend you do this, because especially if you have multiple family members in your home, it can tell who is who based upon the little nuances in our voice. It gives you some commands to say, and then it uses that and stores that. And that's what it uses to identify different people inside your home. So when you are setting it up, at least the administrator of the house, whoever sets up the smart home, should have that in. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 12:58 p.m. Have a pleasant afternoon.
Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 12:59 p.m.
Alexa, tell me a dad joke.
Why did the dad cross the road? He saw another dad working on a car.
Alexa, what's the weather for today?
In Surrey, it's 15 degrees Celsius with mostly cloudy skies. Today, you can look for intermittent clouds with a high of 18 degrees and a low of 10 degrees.
Alexa, turn the volume up to 10. Alexa, play some music.
Here's a mix for you on Amazon Music.
That is pretty loud, folks. Because you have to understand, it's picking up from the mic on my camera, but I was very, very impressed. But this is a directional speaker, so the majority of the sound, if you're standing in front of it, that's where it's going to be loudest. So the speaker placement is very important if you're trying to fill up a room and be able to have conversation. Alexa, turn the volume down by 80%. Alexa, turn the volume to max. So here's the back of it, and you can see that you have the mute button right in the middle and then the volume rockers on each side. Typically, I don't really use the volume buttons. I'll just use Alexa to control the volume, but that mute button you do want in the event that you want to mute the speaker so it can't listen to you for the wake word. Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed this review of the Amazon Echo Pop. Like I said, it's the most affordable way to get a Alexa into your home, perfect for first-time smart home users and also existing ones who want to extend Alexa to every part of the room without breaking the bank. I'm Andy Barrar, Handy Andy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave your comments below, and visit my website, HandyAndyMedia.com. Andy Barrar, Handy Andy, signing out.